Hello there. Are you looking for cutting-edge technologies to complement your research? Does your research require advanced instrumentation?
We've got you covered.
At the core facility, we survey UB faculty members, their graduate students, and their collaborators. We contribute to excellence by providing hands-on learning experience on advanced instrumentations.
With more than 20 years of expertise to support your scientific goals.
Follow these 5 easy steps to use the equipment at the core facility. First, check equipment availability. Then read regulations and policies, request access, and book your training. Finally, reserve and use equipment.
Follow these steps to achieve impactful research results that can be shared with the community.
Sharing your results with the scientific community is as important to acknowledge CRSL and publications.
For further information, visit our website
And visit our social media.